what's up guys, it's Stu TV, dropping another video for you, and in today's video we are going to be installing my carbon fiber diffuser with a third brake light. And you guys saw those clips at the beginning. Go cop the merch, link in bio, use code STUTV for 10% off everything on endoftheroadclothing.com's website. Seriously guys, you have no idea how much merch sales help. They help me buy shit like this and help me push content out for you guys. I say this all the time, but I'm gonna say it again. This is my dream job, making content and being here for you guys all the time. We're almost at 7,000 subscribers on YouTube, guys. We're almost at 8,000 on Instagram, and we're almost at 800K on TikTok. So I just want to thank you guys so much for the support. It's really helping out. All right, that's enough rambling. Let's jump right into the video and do the unboxing on this bitch. Okay, I have nowhere else to really unbox this with camera visibility and shit, so we're gonna unbox it on the back of my dad's Polaris. And actually, we're going to the ground. Ooh. Damn, that box doesn't want to stay open. Okay, originally I was concerned about the packaging because when you order carbon fiber, you should always be concerned about the packaging because it's fragile. I'm pretty sure I could probably step on this and it'll still be all right. All right, here's a moment of truth after we get this off. Carbon fiber diffuser time. Bing. Here we go. I haven't seen it yet. Holy shit. Yo, this thing looks so good. And just looking over it some more, it looks perfect, guys. This thing is so crispy. Just look at the reflection of the carbon in the sun. Obviously there is the third brake light, so there is a little wiring involved. I don't really see a clear path to the taillights, so we're gonna have to figure that out eventually. But for right now, let's get this old bitch jacked up. Hey yo, Jeep life, what's up bitches? All right, from here I'm pretty sure it's just plug and play. It's easy to hook up, so let's just give it a go. All right, so it turns out after doing a little bit of research, I have to take out one of the taillights. I think I'm gonna put this one. All the wiring is accessible through this little door, but I am having trouble figuring out how to take out the taillight. Usually there's like bolts or something, or there's something you have to screw out. No, there's nothing. Taking the taillight out doesn't matter because the diffuser doesn't fit. Check the fitment right there and right here. Not a chance. Not a fucking chance. All right, so obviously I did not finish my diffuser. I went to work instead. Guys, that diffuser does not fucking fit whatsoever. So I'm trying to sell it. If I don't sell it within like a week or two, I'm probably just gonna send it back and pay the $150 fucking restocking fee, which is some bullshit. I really apologize to you guys because I'm trying to stay consistent. I'm trying to push out content and like better content each time, but this fucking makes me so mad that it didn't fit because it just sets me back, and I only have the weekends to do videos for you guys, so it's really difficult when something doesn't fit and then the whole video just ends up getting washed. But I'm gonna try and put my turbo on next week. I have a longer weekend at the end of this week, so all right. It's the next day now. I keep forgetting to record, but that is gonna be the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're commenting, liking, subscribing, turning on post notifications, all that shit. If you need dope car apparel, go to the endoftheroadclothing.com and use code STTV. You get 10% off of everything on the website. Go cop some fucking merch. Anyways, guys, better video next week. I apologize. Bear with me here. Love you guys. Peace out. Have a good night.